Dude, what are you doing? Are you okay, man? Dude, seriously, are you alright? Dude, what are you doing? Dude, get up, it's a Rancor! Hurry up! Dude! It's a Rancor! Rancor! It's coming after us! We gotta catch this on film, it's so stinking slow!
I'll get it with the hammer!
Hi, Mr. Rancor. No, no, Henry! No, dude! No, dude, it's okay. We're trying to catch this on film. It's a live Rancor. He's still after us, man! Get away! No! Whoa! Dude! Are you a pranker?
I have no choice!
Get out of here! Run! Go!
No! No! No!
Finally, that Rancor left us alone. Now back to where we were. Oh wait, dude, it's the same Rancor! What? Stupid Rancor?